2020 Citizen Miyano BNA 42 GTY. Comes equipped with an LNS chip conveyor, Cool Blaster mist control, Cool Blaster high pressure coolant. Machine has not been used. If you can see there, 16 hours of run time. All right, 16 hours of run time. Machine has never seen a chip. Machine is available immediately. It is in new condition. I'm not even going to say like new condition. It's in new condition. If you need a Miyano 42, if you would like the GT model, this machine is available immediately. Parts conveyor. Empty chip bucket, empty parts bucket, just waiting for you to fill it. Machine will come with an Edge Technologies Barfeed and 542S. PSI, high pressure Cool Blaster. It has 3 lines right now. Perfect condition.